vlog. Here we go again. I'm your aunt and this is my beautiful daughter, Sahana. Hi guys. We just had lunch guys and now we are having a curry puff and how do you call this?
Brown rice?
Brown rice. How do you call this?
I don't know.
I forgot. Brown rice. Yeah.
Correct?
Brown rice. So now Sahana's Lakshmi is eating. How is it?
Nice.
Like it? Yes.
Brown rice.
Pulut.
Oh, good.
Pulut.
Right.
Pulut. Call it pulut. You like it, Sana?
Yeah.
We are here now in Banana Leaf Restaurant.
Yes.
I will show you what foods they have. They have
Yeah.
got so many varieties of food.
Yes.
I will show you.
Let's go now. I'll show you now.
Okay, come, let's go. Show the food.
I'll show.
Go. Then,
Just wait for a moment, guys.
point the camera. Flip up the camera.
Huh?
Flip the camera.
What?
Come. Hi guys! We're back now at home. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-video ng mga pagkain sa restaurant na pinagkainan namin kaganina dahil si Lakshmi ginamit ang phone ko at nalobat. So, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo yung mga food doon. And nandito namin sa bahay. As you can see, yung mga ginagamit kong mga panglinis ng bahay. Ayan. And aking mga sampayan dyan sa kabila. And gabi na kung makikita nyo, it's already 7:45 na ng gabi. But still medyo maliwanag pa rin. Di pa rin ganong kadilim dito. So, hopefully guys, hanggang dito muna yung video natin. And you can si Lakshmi pala nandito, kumakain siya ng kanyang kakagising lang niya, nag-nap siya. Guys, sorry. Nagising itong aking puppy, ang aming puppy. Si Lakshmi di makaintindi ng Tagalog. So, gusto niyang mag-English ako. Okay. Hi guys, we're back. I cut. Okay. Say to the guys. Tell to the guys. I cut my vlogging because my our little puppy is awake. So, she need to go to choo-choo. Pee. So, I go to put her on the tray. She have a tray on the corner there. Mag-English tayo dahil si Lakshmi hindi makaintindi ng Tagalog. So, she going to choo-choo first. She going to pee first. Pahihian ko muna siya, guys. Her name is Richie. Richie Kuti. Wait lang, guys. Pahihian ko lang siya. Ayan ang kanyang tray. Mag-ihi muna siya dyan. At habang umiihi siya, and while si Lakshmi, tinatap niya yung kamay ko dahil gusto niya akong mag-English, guys. Okay, while she's choo-chooing is urinating, guys. So, we call that this for short. Why is she... What do you want? You want to choo-choo also? Hi! Si Lakshmi. Here is Lakshmi. Ayaw niya talaga akong mag-Tagalog.
I said not it.
Okay.
Malay.
Tagalog. That's not Malay.
Not Malay.
She don't want me to talk in Tagalog. She doesn't understand Tagalog. So, I must need to... English ko naman. So, I must talk in English, guys. She doesn't understand Tagalog. So, while our puppy is choo-chooing there, she's here and she want to... What do you want, darling?
See,
She want to choo-choo also. Huh?
What do you mean?
There you go.
Let's play, Mama. Let's play.
We're going to have a dinner.
Mom.
Ayun na si Richie, guys. Kumakain siya ng biscuit. Alam nyo ba, na matanda na tong puppy namin. Ano na siya, 20 years old na, kaya hindi na siya makalakad ng maayos. But she is still, strong, healthy. Yung paglalakad niya lang yung hindi ganun ka healthy kasi nga matanda na siya. Kung narinig nyo, may mga fireworks pa rin dito kasi Chinese New Year. Kakatapos lang ng Chinese New Year. And dito pala kami sa Malaysia. So may mga Chinese na kapitbahay kami na maraming kapitbahay kami na nag-celebrate ng Chinese New Year. Until now, ano pa rin sila, nagpapaputok pa rin sila. And actually tapos na, but they still doing it. So now it's already 8 o'clock and we're going to have our dinner first. So see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to